the glories, the power, the super excellence, the influence of surrender as something attractive and not something fearful has to be presented to the jiva. Otherwise, as soon as a conditioned soul hears the word surrender sounds like thunder, and he just doesn't want anything to do with it. And therefore, this whole idea of taking shelter of Krishna, Mahatmyam, that Mahima has to be taught to him, Samabodhayat. So Bodhayat means to teach, but Samabodhayat means properly, in a way which, as per the adhikar of that conditioned soul, they find this instruction attractive, palatable, and want to take more. Right? And therefore, when Vibhishan comes in front of Lord Ram and he says, he's standing with his 4 associates. So Vibhishan expresses his predicament and he looks at Lord Ram, that Lord Ram is Raghavaya Mahatmane Nivedayata Mam Kshipram Vibhishanam Upasthitam. He says, my dear Lord, you are the one who gives shelter to the entire creation. Please accept the plea of surrender from me, Kshipram, quickly. So he adds the word Kshipram. Why? Because during the course of the soul's journey, while trying to be the controller and enjoyer and the proprietor, there are very rare moments where the soul will come across a crossroads where he gets an opportunity to walk down the path of bhakti. Otherwise, kshut pareto yathadina sarameya graham graham charana vindanti yaddishtam dandam odanam evava. The soul is continuing the old beaten up path of getting repeatedly beaten by material energy. And therefore, now and then the soul sees there is a sign which says the bhakti highway. And if the soul doesn't give sufficient attention to that, he'll miss that crossing and go ahead. Janasthaya narorajanna pramadyat karihichit dhavan nimilyavanetre na patet na skhalet iha. So that is a very crucial junction. And so Vibhishan is saying, at this moment I'm standing at this junction, but I'm coming from a demoniac background, and that spark of changing my desire and becoming a servant, becoming subservient to your desires, it is like a small spark which has just come about in my heart. If you do not accept my plea at this moment, the spark is so small, it will die down because of my previous demoniac tendencies. And therefore, please do not delay in deciding whether you will accept me or not. Nivedayata mam kshipram vibhishanam upasthitam. And therefore, Vibhishan comes with 4 associates who represent the 4 limbs of Sharanagati. What are the 4 limbs of Sharanagati as per Shripad Ramanujacharya? Akinchanatvam means I possess nothing. Ananyagatitvam, I possess no other destination. Shakti, the Lord is supremely powerful and He can offer His surrender to anyone, anytime, anywhere, without any precondition. And Saralta means the Lord is so simple that He will not keep anybody's sins against them. However sinful one's background may be, the Lord immediately accepts. He is very simple and He does not hold anyone's huge track record of sins in the past. However many times one may have lost been lost in the path of this material world. But whenever one gets a desire to come on the highway of devotional service, the Lord immediately allows. And therefore, Uddhritya Sharanapattir Mahatmyam Sama Bodhayat. That is, any person who helps a conditioned soul change their desires, change their opinions, change their priorities, they become gurus. They are known as guru. They are empowered by the Chit Shakti of the Lord. Chit Shakti is the knowledge potency, and that knowledge is how serving Krishna, serving Krishna's devotees is a much better, more luxurious long-term alternative than try to be the proprietor and the enjoyer. So at whatever level of devotional service we may be in, if we are able to transmit this knowledge of Sharanagati and become instruments in that transmission, one actually becomes a guru. One may be Path Pradarshak Guru, Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru, whatever. And therefore Srila Prabhupada, why the book distribution is emphasized so much? Because we are becoming instruments in giving people the knowledge by which their priorities will change.